showroom asura chagwirigiria amabati anda onsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende kensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao unabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bere na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yiga nika babwate chikala buna bonelia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase MRM showroom onyare ko bagokwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo gucanye warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya superstores yego toka se nyumba ya complex imiyumu cyugo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500 Oru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Aha. Kwa hiyo umeamua kuumwaga mchele kwenye kuku wengi. Mbona mimi na yako siyasemi? Mwanaume gani wewe? Kutwa kujilizaliza. Sehemu ya kulia mimi, unalia wewe. Ukirudi nyumbani, unalala tu. Haujali mwenzako nimekula, nimeshiba au nina njaa. Au niwaambie watu kama mchezaji majeruhi. Kwa mwezi unacheza mara moja tu. Niache!
Dada, maneno unayamwaga hayo.
Niache. Wewe umeamua kuyamwaga. Kuanzia leo, watu wote na
Masoge na ende emaragoberengia omwanchi omorigerio Getembe TV Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ncheni gonkoro kwa Ruth Morara nigo tegenderete kubwatirana amona Barnabas ondari kurwa sensemo ya Kabereye studio na tugochaka Ekeonga nigo oyo nigo abana boda kurwa ase county ya Nyamira bagenderete kwemurunganiria obokoreri bore obe ne bango iyo bakurwa nigo baragwa amona Bernard ondari ole omo chairman we boda kurwa ase county iyo niko boigo baboria omo governor ne serikali ya county ya Nyamira kuba obokoreri borobia eri banyare kuba bakwa kana ebango buna egwenerete
Indete murigererika ekero bagote tona dia stika igatogo itubo tuko turiko koragasi barabu boyo ende ngora tigabato tigana intue bona boda tani tutokera tokera seririe tuna boda tani tutokera baba abiri barbe ko tubatru wakano tigabato sika intu turiko raja stika baka baikera ni magana aria ito tigabato sika batigwe kerro
Mama yeta nengoro kwebi Martin Mongara chairman kebiri ko Mundo State etwa chirega ngwa chobo ya etota tena mbeye maros chipara chicho ntobwati acha tokorusie town pakaka amanya woki chita amache ntobwati shedi njiyo unabone sinkorundie piga kebiri ko Mundo State parateyo alafu ama gagokora magania yamanya gotote igosena ata ete tonyache ndori konya cha stika mpaka twaiwananire notora naende notokorara
Omo MCA ward ya Sameta Mukwerero omusike advocate Joseph Sonye nigo abolirie abantu bonsi kurigireria kubwatia amachiko chinga kiba kwesonanya na kugura amaremo gosekoni amaremo anana mono chinga kichiri bakwe gwa title deeds nigo boigo ababoria gutiga gosoa asichia bisi challenge ko kwa gwa title deeds asencherere eyo bonereria
bonsi pi mbabwata abana igamenyete ku settlement tiko bona uwi ise itawo buli mu butayo lakini settlement yo buli mu mboro igabwata abangina ababonsi abana ababuka bagasinyukubagana injire yuko tuwa eteti no mu church n'abantu bande igoto kwa kero umungi no buli mu bwaye umungi no yare na kyakubanga abana baye ikina kiegento kero na kigeko era toko gotebyo genda se chibwa turikire ekero yarikirwe na intu twabibeka burunge twabituma kotini ekero ko ironko register kwa register ekoti ne chibesa che koti bune koti ko waseseli na ande kwamanya koruo ingwaka no ri chibesa ekyo koira oboli mu bobo chikobe ku Kenya Gazette buno oboli mu bwanya lebe ngokorera ubole succession nto igokora succession busaigo abantu bamintu bayiro okoyigotayo monta ko bokori chibesa chinyinge ominyo kigo chirandi shobisi una nchenceri bono banganjere kurunka nchenceri ninche ngori kweli yeteli land shobisi ego chiache kibuna anda in case kiwa filed kotini ikaba confirmed the beneficiaries banyorega nyorenki alengo na kigeko era bandu kwigubuna etaito yane teikororekana ige yakorere gentuki yatando yu gwatie procedure ndonge eyeire
na tugotigana nayo hegati abasaye kurwantana iyo gotoka eward ya Bugika nigo bagebesokire na kugendera kwe murungania obokoreri obobikurwa ase sukuru eyo ekoragwa amono muteneneri we sukuru eyo Joel Mwene nigo batebire buna esukuru eyo nigo yagenderere gokore bobe na obokoreri bwo mwarimu yumburia obuya
amangana naro to na yesukuru ntana sukuru yetu ntana ya bereke gusarika sana because egenteka ne to konyora abana bago seru every day omwarimu oyo ochete ni gasere to kurwa limageni lakini dende ni gachiro sari yesukuru ona side number 1 oni chingombe number 2 asali abana balenga bagere bonse 40 na ande bone sukuru wetu arole bona bona okonyesari side to ko mutaina tige gosori abo
muna bantu kwa naiga chombe jesukuru igagwata akaonia mete agoteba buna echigo cha gukora maintenance ye pass yesukuru yesukuru ndo matana baboli ntu agorete ende buna ere sukuru wa e pass ye nige go jasoka ne ngojere ye maintain yo Kenya na chibasire kare go soka ego konyora tegendo bone kana tu abaturangeri ga station yende ya mindo no mo kongu tu arore bana bali gwita matem otosere iria balimu uno mwalimu korukunya kwama Miss Valentine ne deputy ya Ruth skuru asengenjo obobe bo mwalimu oyo niga bwata atete ko seri mwalimu kararangerie board deputy kamote ya mwalimu tabati magosande akimutikara akora matuko make lakini enda akamoe transfer ende bana to kwa nego mwalimu woto akorengani skale akoro Mr. Nyakwama no mwalimu wege songo na dote abone gabari bari ndana baisaine na abana buna mwego yomindako na bale barake lit Monday to Friday ako baseli umwana osangia akanete school visions vi wamanya kanyora atikatiyo sasa singi miasta chirim ejina chiako moseli mambi ndo mwe gacho sawali baka ndo sangia umwana oyo
asengenjo amangana akole kandi ase school yeto ya ntana talimaya school ene arato kwatwa ese school chingi abo mwaga malia nera mangtem otu akumiringo mwalimu naro ochire osalie school otwalire omonto gatendete store ere faruku kipet nero go coordinate amangana ye school bona bali mumbabu ati go kobuga konde wansi ase school yeme nero go tabanga ke school ko barani ekende yakabere ana kumiringa asere ibono twekirega ngana ndi umwalimu ngochia ngobare dictate se school karo mwalimu akomotebi ngaya balimu baya bakende bakomotebi ngaya principal bito tugenda kolega okana ngaya obuge kengere osomero mwalimu asabana ba
habaraini go basemiwe gwasokia na gusira chisukuru chirichio konyora wense gose chirichigo korabo be chigendere gusirwa nago elio chinyale ko bachigo korabi gukwana amona Getembe umwalimu bwe sukuru ya St Francis Gekendo nigo aboririe abalimu amona aborokia na aborokigwa gotenena na gusira chisukuru anene muno chiamate chirichire ekyo okoria bobe gose chitari kwenyara ase okwegendereria bagusirane elio konyora go bagusira chisukuru chinyare ko bachi kwegendereria na gokoria bia ase emyake gocha.
This school had gone down some times back up to less than 100 students by 2022. So when I came in 2022, we had less than 100 students, and we got support from the local community. We mobilized them, and they accepted to bring back the students to the school. But more so, we had a very big input from the area member of parliament.
Kure ite ya Gekendo yabere kego kina se myaka kuri mwaka 2022 tira lakini ere yegete kuri umwe karaba nganjabwa yate yanake lakini ndene tolete obetera so kubwaterana katiye community leadership iyo kora uno mweshimiwe itocho ashinyamoko mu MCA yabaro bagambi baito isiko bage no babwaterana taso buramo banale gutosira neskuri yanale ko bakego kina gwikaraboni gatobwata abana 853 asenge incho yo umukia bayibole baitwana ko bakora no gwitabira no wanje skuri yabo twanale ko nora abana bakuna comment kana se skuru ekero tobwato bwama tobuya gati y'abalimu na bayiboli na local leadership yo na skuru cheito na bachiko ba step na yanda ko bachiko kina togenda kubaterana kati ya ito na abalimu na bayiboli na barayi baite rinde skuru ya ite nyarako bakiro kina na mono kigima na nalwa kere principal ya ito Vincent Mawari ngambu yamano.
The only appeal I want to make to the stakeholders is to continue being close to school, continue supporting school. The biggest challenge in the school is fee payment. Majority of the students we get in this school are from very poor background. So we only get support from the area member of parliament. For example, this year we are given a bursary of 1.5 million, where 380 students benefited. That's the only fee we can say that we have received this year. The students don't pay fees.
Haba obisa gwetera ase sector yobo chenu insi omurubuli universal health coverage niko babuta isiko yechiabisi che wizara yobo chenu imeumocho Nairobi elikwe murungania na koboli abanyare ko babako egwa kigasi kiri cha permanent na nigo tinga kiechecho barokia egotagwa kigwa ase getambo kelokelia ewizara yeye imugeti na kubabeka na kubanganya gotia ase chiserikali chechi county.
That we are healthcare workers and we are very peaceful, and all we want is permanent and pensionable, and we want gratuity for us and for those who have died, the 45 of them. So those are our demands, and tonight we are gathered here to hold a vigil, to pray and seek God to fight for us, because it's this government, well, it came in, they came to us as Christians and as people who believe in God, and we have tried dialogue, it's not working, so now we are seeking God to fight for us.
COG and Minister of Health had an agreement some 2 weeks ago that the ministry is going to devolve our payroll from the Minister of Health to the county. We have no problem with that. We are ready to go there with only one demand after our terms have been changed from contract to permanent.
Habarai bekiombe kelekia bakoli emirimo bechi university gose kusu nigo bamochirie university eri ya Moi Eldoret ase getambo keliokelie imogeti na kubatenenia emirimo abakoli emirimo bechi university gwetania chimi kianda nigo boigo borokirie ugotagwo kigwa kwabo bakoragwa amono mu professor bwe wose umuteneneri bwe byombebyo Professor Wesonga.
Continue giving staff redundancy letters as we sit here. That is impunity of the highest order, and we don't condone and will not allow it. The Vice Chancellor, the Chairperson of Council, and the entire team of management, be warned, we are on your case.
All government employees are paid from the exchequer. Who came up with this archaic policy that university staff must generate their money?
We are key stakeholders in these institutions, and anything affecting workers during their working life at the university, we are called to be actively participating in those decisions.
I want to tell Moi University, acting Vice Chancellor, Moi University does not have 50 staff like what you have where you came from. This is a big university. This is a big university. And you must turn your mind and start thinking big. You cannot declare 890. Now, if you declare 899 staff redundant, is that still a university?
We are even more concerned that the university is even getting more students on the side of who is going to teach.
Omorai wiki magia ODM umusikia Raila Odinga nigo agenderete kwamereria ekigancha kia National Government Constituency Fund gose NGCDF ase agenderete gugusegeta kirusibwe arro nechibese chokobekwa ase chi county waigo nigo omorikyo monene gose likibwe kigancha kirege budget abolirie eti county koro kiabuna chi atumekire chibesa chi county nyuma getara chikoegwa chibesa icho chia NGCDF.
With the devolved system, there's no need for a CDF. CDF should be the responsibility of the county government. Members of parliament are supposed to do three things: representation, legislation, and oversight. They should oversight the national government. How do we oversight the national government when you yourself are also implementing projects? Now they're doing what is so-called public participation, asking the public. But I just want to tell them, do all the public participation you want. Ultimately, you must go to a referendum. In the referendum, you will lose. In the devolved system of government, you don't need Kura and Kera. Those services can be done by the county governments. There's no reason why Kura in Nairobi should be having roads here in Mombasa. There's several roads in Mombasa. Nearly over 50% of roads in Mombasa here are not under the county government of Mombasa.
385 billion shillings, for example, is sent to counties as equitable share. But what projects do you see around our counties? What expenditures go towards our counties? And maybe what we might want to do is not necessarily disregard the NGCDF, but borrow the NGCDF model to how counties do.
Na gwikirabo omwanchi omurigerio Getembe TV na tukurira Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ncheni kwa nkuru kwa Ruth Morara nigo twabwatirana amona Barnabas kurwa asense moya kabere studio ayo amona yanda mange ngonya nyorore kiboikera nuchikoraga Chinsa ibere amone Chinsa nya chabona margoba kurwa ase Aaron otutonyengire.
Twatire, mama ine twatire.
eduka yobo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil ya buigo chire cha mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori lyabantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani gwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores nabo kwegena muna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero elibwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo busongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere singwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone